Hi, my name is Yvonne and I'm a care coordinator with Phoenix Spine and Joint. My job is to help you get the care that you need. I've been with Phoenix Spine and Joint for almost 2 years, and the most rewarding part of the job for me is to help my patients get the care that they need so that they can get back to the lives that they love. We have the best and most experienced doctors in the state who specialize in minimally invasive, muscle-sparing surgical techniques. I'm happy to assist you in getting this process started. The first step is a call with me. During this initial call, what I'll do is I'm going to learn more about you and the pain that you're experiencing so that I can get you matched up with a surgeon to best suit your needs. I'm your direct contact at Phoenix Spine and Joint. Please contact me on my direct number 602-385-0414. I would love to be able to help you get the care that you need.